In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your homepage on Wix. If you want visitors to land on a different page when they first open your website, Wix makes that process very simple inside the editor. The homepage is the main page people see by default, so changing it can be useful if you've created a new landing page, updated your site structure, or just want to feature different content front and center. To get started, open the site you want to edit in the Wix editor. Make sure you are inside the correct website before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one site. Once the editor is open, take a moment to let everything fully load so the menus and page options are easy to access. Next, go to the left side of the editor and click Pages and Menu. This opens the Pages panel, where you can view all the pages currently included in your site. This section is where you manage your site navigation and page settings, so it's the right place for changing which page acts as your home page. Now, find the page you want to make your new home page. Hover your mouse over that page name and then click the More Actions icon, which appears as 3 dots. This opens a menu with additional options for that page. If you don't see it right away, just move your cursor slowly over the page title and the icon should appear. From there, click Settings, and then select Make this your home page. In some cases, Wix may also show a quicker option called Set as Homepage directly in the menu. If you see that, you can use it instead. Both options do the same thing, so just choose whichever appears in your version of the editor. After you do that, check the page list to confirm the change worked. You should see a small house icon next to the page name. That house icon is the visual confirmation that this page is now set as the home page. It's a good idea to double-check this before publishing so you know the correct page will be shown to visitors. Finally, click Publish in the top right corner of the editor to make the change live on your website. If you skip publishing, the new homepage setting will stay only in the editor and won't be visible to the public. And that's it. Thanks for watching.